What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. So, there is something really crazy, that is going on at MK Party, and it turns out that Floyd Shivambu is not as intelligent as we actually thought that he was. It seems like Jacob Zuma was the chess master all along and not Floyd Shivambu, because Jacob Zuma never wanted Floyd Shivambu for the party's future after all. What he wanted, Jacob Zuma, was only to remove Floyd Shivambu from Julius Malema's party, the EFF, and cause instability there at EFF. That's why, Floyd Shivambu banned Dr. Ndlozi on his way out, because Jacob Zuma's chess plan, was to destroy the EFF and then hope that all those guys from EFF will all come under MK. So that was the game plan, that Zuma and Floyd Shivambu were playing, by driving a wedge into the EFF. But it turns out that Floyd Shivambu did not realize, that he was also part, of being in that mess. Like, he was also part of the wedge, that was being driven into the EFF. Now that the mischief has been made, it's now time for Jacob Zuma to start destroying Floyd Shivambu bit by bit in stages, because what does he need him for anymore? There's nothing that he can bring anymore to the table. If it is for members from the EFF, he failed to recruit like lots of them, to come to MK, and there's nothing more that he can deliver for MK. So he is sort of like, being watered down, He has been removed as the SG, he's been thrown into parliament, and he's just going to be another guy in there. And that's just Zuma, discarding Floyd Shivambu. It's really sad for us to be seeing for Floyd Shivambu. I'll catch you